Hi, this is John Stewart, and this is how to tie a bowline knot. A bowline knot is used to put a loop in the end of a rope that can be used for rescuing people, making a fixed loop in the rope that's not going to come undone, that you can anchor around something. You see this knot used a lot by people who are rescuing others in water scenarios. In case somebody rapid flow water, you can throw the loop out to them. People who's down in a hill, in a crevasse or something, you can throw this loop down to them. They can put it around them under their armpits, and then you can then lift them out because this knot won't come undone if tied properly. To tie this knot, you're going to take one tag end, put a loop in it, okay? Come up with your other tag end, and you're going to come up through the loop, around the back of the other tag end to where it goes around the back of it, and then back down through the hole. And then you just want to pull all of that tight and then cinch it down, and there's your loop, and that's the knot that's not going to come undone to where you can throw this out to somebody and help them. And that's how to tie a bowline knot.